Is an exciting vehicle. Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Ram. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram is a steal with less than 2,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and rear privacy glass. Remember, if they say no, call Tony Joe's.